How to enable live caption on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn on automatic captions for any audio or video playing on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Accessibility. After that, tap Hearing Enhancements. At this point, tap Live Caption. From here, toggle it on to enable the feature. Following this, the first time you turn it on, your device may prompt you to download a small language file. Tap Download to continue, and it should only take a moment. After that, once enabled, play any video or audio on your device, and a caption box will automatically appear at the bottom of your screen transcribing it in real time. From here, tap and drag the caption box if you want to reposition it anywhere else on your screen. At this point, tap the expand icon on the caption box if you want to see more lines of text at once instead of just 1 or 2 lines per day. Finally, to turn off live caption quickly without going back into settings, press your volume button to bring up the volume slider, then tap the live caption icon that appears just below it. That's how you enable live caption on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!